Hi, I'm Daniel Amasit, CEO and co-founder of Logistify AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate entry of sales orders from WhatsApp into your Brew Management software. All right, let's dive in. So let me head over first to Brew. Brew is a ERP management software for local craft breweries. So here's what it looks like. So here I have my dashboard, Brew, and let's check out a couple of customers that we have. So if you head over to customers here and just click there, you can see I have one customer here that's called Jethro Kireka Pub. They have their phone number and their email address. The other thing that we want to look at are the products that this brewery, as you can see, this is a test brewery that I created. And let's go look at some of the products that I am producing or manufacturing or selling. So here I've created some sample products. So the first one here with the code PL332 is Pilsner Lager, 330 ml can. And the second one is Savannah Apple Cider, 330 ml can. So I have the SKU types. So both of them are small packs, and you can see other details, including the price right here, 12, and for Pilsner Lager, 12, and for Savannah, that's 10. So those are the SKUs that I have. So let's take a look at what a sales order looks like in Brew. So to go to sales orders, I'll go to sales, I'll click sales, and here I have four sales orders here placed by this customer, Jethro Kirika Pub, and I can open up just maybe one. Let's take a look at what it looks like in details. So you can see the customer that placed the order. They have their pricing book is a standard price. Here are their details, the email and the phone number, and we can scroll down and take a look at more details. So the items in this sales order are this product, Savannah apple cider, and they placed an order for 25 small packs. So you can see the unit price there and then the total amounts on this sales order. So this is what a sales order looks like in the Brew Management Software. What we're going to see next is if Daniel Brewery Test POC has a couple of customers, maybe hundreds, if not thousands, and they are placing orders via WhatsApp. Let's see how to bring those orders over automatically into Brew software. Okay. All right. So now let's head over to the Logistify AI platform and see how to do our Brew integration so that we can push orders there. So let me head over to the settings. So go ahead and select or click the settings icon and then head over to under integrations. You will see a list of integrations. So the first one is WhatsApp. You will have created your WhatsApp integration there, and our team will help you do that. So the other, obviously, and click Brew right there. And as you can see, I already added my integration into my Brew management software. And it's very simple. So all you do is just add the Brew name and the API key. And let me show you where to find these details in your Brew software. So head over to Brew and then scroll down and look for settings down here. Let me click settings and then scroll down and look for Brew API. So right down here, you can see Brew API. Just click it. And this is where you will find your API key. So right here, you'll find your API key. If you do not have one, your Breww software admin can create an API key right here by clicking this button, create API key, and you'll give it a name, and that name could be the application that's going to use this API key. In this case, it's the Logistify AI Assistant. All right. And the key is generated here. So all you do is just copy the API key, and then we'll take it to the Logistify platform and just paste it there. Now, you got to be careful with your API key. Keep it secret. Do not share it, because this API key, according to Brew's documentation, provides full access to your platform. So be careful with that. All right. So let's take over that key and paste it in here. So after that, my API key is ready. Excuse me. So this is my integration into the Breww Management Software. So once we've done that, let's head back to settings. And the other integration obviously is WhatsApp. So I've already created my WhatsApp integration. And now let's go over to sales. So now let's see a real live sales order being placed via WhatsApp. So I'll head over to the WhatsApp number that I added, and that's this number here. The WhatsApp business display name is Demo Company Limited, and that's the number that's going to receive sales orders. So right now, I'm going to act as a customer, and that is Jethro Chireka Pub. I'm going to place an order via WhatsApp. So that might look like, hello there, I need, let's say, 250 units Savannah apple cider. So delivered to Jethro's Chireka. So that's it. That's the plain text message requesting a 250 units of Savannah. You could still add an attachment, but for now, I'm going to just demo the plain text option. So I'll hit enter, and this message will go off to Demo Company Limited. And immediately, as the customer, I'll get a saying, "Hi, customer name. Your text message has been received, and you will receive a status update shortly." So what's happening now in the back end is that the Logistify AI assistant will extract this text and understand if it is a sales order. And if that's the case, it will process it, and we should be able to see this new sales order appear in the Logistify AI platform, so that we can do some quality checks and quality control before pushing to Breww Management Software. So let's head over to the Logistify platform and see the sales order. All right, so I'll go here, and what I'm gonna do is just refresh. Let's give it a second there. All right, so here's that order that has just come in via WhatsApp, and as you can see here, the sync status is pending. And so let's go do some quality checks and quality controls before we push this order to Breww. So I'll quickly open it up and just take a look here. So as you see, it correctly picked up the right customer in the database, Jethro Chireka Pub, and the order channel is WhatsApp. So I'll go through. So I'm not, charging any shipping fee here. So I'll just have it zero. Look through, and as you can see, the AI assistant was able to pick the right or correct SKU name from the Breww Management Software. So as you recall, the customer simply typed in Savannah apple cider. Of course, the customer does not know the right SKU name in our Breww Management Software and does not know the price. So if we go back here, we can see that the AI assistant was able to identify the correct SKU name from Breww Management Software. The other important piece here is the quantity. This is where a lot of data entrants make errors if they were entering this data manually. But the AI assistant, or in general automation, is able to pick up the right quantity, 250. And so then you can see the total amounts. So you can perform some quality checks and quality controls here. So maybe we might want to offer a discount on this price. So I'll just go maybe and offer 1% discount and update that. So once everything is looking okay, I'll just go ahead and save if I made any changes and click save here. So what this has allowed me to do is do some quality check before I can push any data to Breww. Now that we've performed the quality checks, next is to push this order to Breww Management Software. All right. So what you do is come here and select the orders that you want to push. And today, right now, I just have this one selected here and click push and push to Breww. Select the Breww account. I might have multiple accounts. So the one that I set up is called Daniel Brewery Test PRC. I'll select that and click continue. And then immediately here, I'll get a notification that the order has been pushed to Breww successfully. Okay. And so that takes a couple of seconds or microseconds to do that. Now you can see here the sync status is pending. So what I'll do is just refresh this page and let's check on the sync status here. So right now, the status of the sync has changed from pending to success, meaning that the sales order has been successfully pushed to Breww Management Software. So now let's head over to Breww and check whether this order has reflected over there. All right, so I'll go to Breww, and to find sales orders, go to sales and just click sales over there. And right now I can see this sales order has been successfully pushed to Breww. All right, so I can open it up here and look at the details. So obviously the customer is Jethro Kureka Pub, and I'll scroll down and here's the product items and the quantity. So here we can now see that the correct SKU items are picked up, and that's Savannah, and the right quantity. All right. So in a nutshell, this is the how the Logistify AI assistant automates entry of sales orders from WhatsApp to your Breww Management software. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.